For everyone, the best marble run in the whole wide world. This is the biggest marble run in the world. I like it very much. Spin things. I have some favorite: green one, blue one, and this one. Oops, this is one marble is going. I want to show you the marbles. Now I want to. This is one of the marbles. Не отпускай. Marbles are running everywhere. И тебе больше не отпускай. So this is one of the marbles. This is one of this things. The marble will go in this hole, the same as this one. This one is the coolest. I will show it to the last. So the marble is blue. It's here. I will show you everything, but I want to show you. Here it goes in this hole, and it goes everywhere. Here it is. So we will push it. This is one of the coolest ones. This is the top one.
Где, папа? Вы все еще записываете?
This is the top one. The most top one. I added some pink ones here. It should be, I think, one or maybe two. Like that. But it should be the top one. So we made it the top one. But even the top is top one. And this is not interesting. But it will, I'm sure it will. Oh. And so it finished here. It's here. And now we will go to the last marble. This is the coolest one. You should wait here because this will be very cool. Here. See, and next one will be here. Find her. So it finished suddenly somewhere here. I don't know why. So I made it from 71 pieces. This is drop it and raise. This is the blue one. This is this wheel. You can see it because you can see it turning because it's not just right. And this is how it should look, but don't find the colors. This is the piece set. Box contains 30 marbles, 75 track pieces, and instructions. Here, the best ones are L. They're the pink ones. Bye bye. Bye. Marble run like that.